In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start paper trading in the TradingView app on iPhone. Paper trading lets you practice placing orders and managing positions with virtual funds, so you can build confidence and test ideas without putting real money at risk. If you're brand new to TradingView on mobile, don't worry, these steps are simple and quick to follow. First, open the TradingView app on your iPhone. Give it a second to load your layout and data. A stable internet connection helps ensure charts and orders update smoothly, especially when you're experimenting with multiple instruments or timeframes. Next, tap any asset in your watch list to open its chart. Your watch list is the panel that lists the symbols you follow: stocks, crypto, forex, indices, or futures. You can choose any instrument here. The goal is simply to bring up the full chart view for that symbol. Once the chart is open, you'll have access to drawing tools, indicators, and importantly, the trading panel. Now tap Trade. You'll usually find this option at the bottom of the screen beneath the chart. Tapping Trade opens the order panel where you can place buys and sells and see account connections. If you don't see it immediately, make sure you're on the chart screen for the specific asset rather than just the watch list. From the connection options, select Paper Trading. This is TradingView's built-in demo account designed to mimic the trading experience without connecting to a live broker. It's a great way to learn the interface and practice entries, exits, and risk management in real time, using live market data where available. Then tap Connect to start trading with virtual funds. This initializes your paper account and links it to the order panel, so orders you place on the chart will use simulated money. There's no impact on any real accounts, and your practice trades will be tracked separately with their own positions and history. At this point, you can begin practicing trades without risking real money. Try placing a market or limit order, explore stop loss, and take profit options, and watch how positions appear and update as price moves. Treat this like a training ground. Test strategies, refine timing, and get comfortable with order types and position sizing. Remember, fills and slippage in a demo environment can differ from live conditions, so always double-check order details and size before you hit buy or sell. That's it, you're set up for paper trading on TradingView for iPhone. Take your time, practice consistently, and let the data guide your decisions.